Biko, let them go. Let them go. What is this? How can somebody tell you to sign a paper that you receive a huge amount of money when you did not say shishi? Shikban didn't give you. Biko.
He said it's company policy. That's how the company operates.
Company Guinea. They are thieves. They are 419. They're bad people. Get it here.
My love, when doing business or, hustling to make money, you have to take risks. Yes, there will always be risks involved.
Baby, blind risk is not worth taking. It's not worth taking, please.
Okay. What if at the end of the day, we find out that it's true? That the company actually operates like that. Akachi takes his business elsewhere and gives it to some other person. The person becomes a millionaire. Instant millionaire. Then you and I remain poor. Even though we were the first people to get this business. Just like that. What are you going to do?
You have a point, but I'm not comfortable with this whole development. I'm not comfortable with it. So you should go.
So you're saying non-din teacher?
It's what din teacher now. Ha! Baby Kokwa, so songi kamwe. Don't want anything to happen to you. Please.
I don't understand what you're saying.
See, what I'm saying is very simple. Your company can come and start work on the land. If you want to start today, fine. Let's leave this signing for now, Biko. Let them start work. Mount their pole or mast or whatever you call it. Mount everything there. You understand? Let us start working. No problems. When you are satisfied that the land is not in dispute and you're ready to pay, then we sign. Oh?
Mr. Zewe, you're making me talk too much. And it's beginning to piss me off. Yes. I've told you, and I repeat again, if these documents are not duly signed and confirmed by the company, no work will start there. And you're here telling me another thing.
I'm sorry, but I see...
Mr. Zewe, it's not a do or die affair. Yes. If you are not comfortable with the modus operandi of the company in terms of payment, thank God the land is still with you. I can as well take it to another person who is ready.
I'm ready, just that.
And what? Mr. Zewe, how can you ever imagine that a company as big as NTM, telecommunication, will erect a full working mass on your land, on your property, without you receiving your payment? I've told you before and I repeat again, we cannot afford to soil our name, dent our image for just mere 40 million naira. It's not possible. Don't worry, I will take it to another person. No, I will take the business to another person who is interested.
I'll sign.
What is all this?
I will sign.
What's the meaning of this? I'm offering you a lifetime changing opportunity that everybody wants to grab it, and you will enrich yourself, your family and your children, your unborn children. And you're here telling me another thing.
I'll sign. Don't be offended.
Mr. Zewe, check well. If you are not comfortable, if you are not convinced, with this business. If you're not convinced with the genuineness of this business, don't sign on. Do not say I pushed you into signing or doing what you don't want to do. There are a lot of people looking for these opportunities. I can give it to them and they'll be happy, even for less.
Akachi, la putagomo. Ogulumaya, wayanyocha, nkaka boloska. Akachi, la putagomo. Ogulumaya, wayanyocha, nkaka boloska. Ichalo keme bobigi. Do you want to know tomorrow?
You did what?
I signed the contract.
Hey! Chimo, you have killed me. How can you do a thing like that? How?
Oh, can you stop being unnecessarily afraid? Relax.
Hey! How can you take such level of risk?
Because when you take the risk, you join the millionaires. Yes, you have to take risks to make it in life. How else would you make it in life? All the good businesses come with risks. You know what they say? Is
this what you're saying?
That is what I'm saying. Because nothing will happen. It is well. Everything will go smoothly and the money will come. Oh? It's okay. Relax. Go.
Can't anymore. This man will kill me.
I thought it was the way to make money, oh. I thought it was the way to have wealth. My wife warned me, but I didn't listen. I did it for us, oh, I got it. I did it for our family, so that we will escape the bondage of poverty and start living in affluence. I did it for us, I got you.
But how did you manage to buy a plot of land, mini bus, and other properties at the same time?
I got it. One chance. One chance. Olo kakachili mo. Honestly, it's now getting clearer to me, the whole scam. Now I understand the game he played. Oh. Got it. Oh. Yes, sir. Hey, this kind of call. Will I waste time?
Well, in that case, we have to go on.
Okay. Very fine. Very well. You're welcome. Hey. I thought you said the company will pay after the master has been erected on the land.
You should have counted you should have counted the money I gave to you first. Okay, let me not stress you because of time. This is 2 million naira.
Okay.
For your kind heart and for your benevolence. I actually told my boss how you rescued me when I was stranded, when the company vehicle broke down.
Okay.
So I told him, and he said, he doesn't understand the fact that someone will see a stranger and will be so kind-hearted. So they said we should reward you with this sum of 2 million. So it's for your reward.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's different from money for my land.
Yes.
And that one will still come.
That will come. You'll be duly paid for the land.
I should go this one first.
Yes. Like I said, this is your reward for helping me out. You see, it's not easy for you to meet a stranger just like that. And you actually paid the mechanic from your money. You understand? So this is your reward. Mind you, my boss does not know that you own that land.
Okay.
It is only you and I that knows that the land belongs to you.
Okay.
And I don't intend to tell them. So the payment for the land is different from this one. Yes.
And the 20 million for the land will still come.
It will still come.
I should hold this one first.
Hold this one for your kind heart. No, please stand up. No, don't do this. You should be thanking God for your kind heart. Thank him for your kind heart, for giving you a kind heart.
Thank God. Thank you. You're just God sent. Thank you.
I was on my way out, okay, so I have a
Let it not be that these people are using Koni way to pay you for that land.
I don't think so. Yes, I don't think so. Because even without giving them my land to buy, I believe that the simple kind gesture that I give to such a big company can earn me this amount of money. Yes. Though, I asked Akachi very well, are you sure this is not payment for my land? And he said, no, that is not. And this one is different. So, it's well. I'm sure.
Don't
worry, I'm sure. Huh? I'm very sure. We have nothing to worry about. Okay. Absolutely. He even told me that the company does not know that it is the same person that helped him fix his car that owns that land. Yes. So this cannot be part payment of my land. No.
When you be here.
Boy. I know that's what you want to say.
Yes.
I know it's what you want to say.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me keep it. Hi. Baby, good.
Okay. So what do we do with the money?
Mama Farmer has been looking for money to start a business for her son.
Okay.
Whom the master did not settle after 7 good years of apprenticeship. And they want to sell the land by the roadside. Yes.
Okay.
So, my friend, you know that my girlfriend told me that she said if she sees anybody that will give her 1 million naira, she will sell the land to that person. Yes.
So cheap?
Yes, so very cheap. So I have been thinking, you know, so that you use this land and replace the one you gave out to ATM.
Come. Well, you know, they didn't buy the whole land though. They just paid for that portion where they will mount their mast and their generator.
But immediately they put this mast and generator, the rest will become useless now. So you just buy it and replace it.
Nice idea.
And baby, you know, I've been thinking, I want you to use the rest of the money to buy this shuttle bus. You know you are very important to me. This Okada business, let's stop it.
Okay.
It's enough.
It's good. But what about my brother? Won't I give him something?
Your brother?
My one name. then I should give him some money from it.
Baby, I thought you said this is not the payment of the land. This is just your kindness towards you. Yes. Baby, you have to, you have to wait. When they give you the full money, then you call him and sit him down and then give him something. You think maybe they've given you the whole money. And then that is problem. So why not wait? When they give you the whole money, then you take from there and, in his now. Yes.
I think you're right. You have a point.
Yes.
After all, it was my kindness that earned me that money.
Yes.
My kindness, not any other person's kindness.
Yes.
Me. More my uncle. So, you have a point.
Let's use it to enjoy ourselves.
I am very sorry. You wouldn't blame me. I acted like every other person would.
God, you assumed without asking me, your brother. God, you should have asked me where I got the money to buy those things when we haven't been paid. You should have asked me, God.
Brother, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, I'm sorry.
His wife is the problem here. She fed him with lots of lies that we received the money when we have not. He was acting on mere information that he received from the wife without being patient to ask questions.
I accept the blame. It was all my fault. Brother, I assure you one thing. You see this battle, we are all in it together. All I want you to do for me is to be strong. Please be strong for me. You see that money? You see that money? They will never, ever succeed in taking it. You see that money? Every kobo will be returned. As far as I am alive, I will make sure I retrieve that money to the last kobo. All I want you to do for me, please, be strong for me. If they have been doing this to other families, they will never ever succeed in doing that same thing to us.
Wait for me, okay, ma. Hold on, let me go. Wait, let me go. Why are you putting on black socks? Why put your white socks?
I lost it.
You lost it.
What is keeping this man? Where could he be? Yeah, God. Where have you been? Where are you coming from?
Now you listen, woman. If your plan for coming to this family as my wife is to destroy the bond I share with my brother, you have lied. You hear me? Not even 1,000 of your type can destroy the bond that exists between my brother and I. Not at all.
No, why are you shouting? Tell me, what have I done? Why are you shouting?
What have you not done? Tell me! What have you not done? By the way, where are my children?
They have gone to school. Am I the one you are bouncing like a kangaroo for? If it comes to flexing your muscle now, you will come to me. Your brother that has been lying to you that land has not been sold to him. You will not fight him. You want to come and fight me. You are carrying your shoulder up. Cherry, where is he even coming from? Be a God! A God! A God!
Yeah, who's that? Great job. Boss, let's wait. Close my door, please. My boss. How did he go?
The villagers came and intervened. But you know the plan wasn't to kill him there. The plan is that he dies later, and I'm sure we are on course. Are you sure?
Yes, we are, boss. Boss, we are professionals in this job. There are some certain places we hit him, of which you know that by this time he will be dead.
If that guy survives the night, then it's a miracle. Because I even doubt if the miracle will last long. See,
Tell him, we poked him like an idiot. We finished that guy, boss. We messed him up.
Enjoy your money as we go and enjoy ours. Eh?
Let's pay our own money.
Boss, there's another job.
Involve us.
Boss, go and enjoy your money.
The truth I told you is enough for us. It's
ready.
I'm not hungry.
You are not hungry. No, what is the meaning of this? Why have you been like this? If I talk, you won't answer me. What's this? Can you come back one? Eh?
Woman, it may interest you to know that my brother has not been paid any money by the telephone company.
Mr. Gene, what did you say?
You heard me right. My brother has not been paid a dime by the telephone company. As a matter of fact, my brother has been duped. And the hoodlum wanted him dead as well. If not for you,
Yeah.
I would have sat my brother down, JJ, and discuss with him man to man, by now we would have settled everything amicably and know the truth. But no! No! Hey, you are not a man. Hey, you are not strong enough. Hey, you are not. You pushed me. Woman, you pressurized me to fight my brother. And now, this is what has happened.
Chimo, look what Mokoro. What have I done? No, what have I done? Why are you blaming me?
Are you asking me?
Yes, I'm asking
what you have done? Now you listen to me, woman. Pray! Just pray to your God that my brother recovers from the beating he received. Okay? Because if he doesn't recover, this house will never, ever contain both of us.
Because... No, come and beat me. You are pointing fingers at me. He will data. If I tell you to jump into fire, you will jump into fire. He will data. Mbanu, come and stop breast. Come and stop breast. If I tell you to do A, you will do A. Stupid man. Manachireo. You mean Nzewi has not been paid by the telephone company? How? Hi. I failed this one. I failed. But you cannot blame me. Yeah.
Nurse! Nurse! Where is my brother?
Sir, please, can you come?
Where is my brother?
He is in the doctor's office. Can you calm down, please? Calm down.
Doctor, where's my brother?
Calm down. Have a seat, please.
Doctor, where's my brother?
Please have a seat.
Okay. Where's my brother?
I sent for you because you are the man here. I told your brother's wife to go home and rest before I took the body away.
Wait a minute. I don't get you. I don't understand you.
There's no easy way to say this to you. Lots of organs were damaged in your brother's body. We tried our best, but he didn't make it. I'm really, really sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. Please, calm down, okay? Everything will be okay. Please. Just calm down. For the sake of your family.
Today is our children visiting day, so I came. So we'll go together as usual.
Oh, my friend, you've done well. You've done so well. It's just that I won't be able to follow you today for the visiting day.
Why?
My husband is sick. Yes, and he's in the hospital. There's nobody there with him. The doctor actually told me to just come and rest for a while and then go back with hot food for him. So I won't be able to go see my children today at school.
Yeah.
Yes. But please, I will give you some provision for Chukwuemeka and Ugochukwu, his brother. Please help me to explain to them that I can't come to see them today, please.
No problem, that will be fine.
I will also give you some pocket money for them. so that you help me to give them.
I'm so wonderful.
Please try and help me explain things to them, please.
Okay, I will.
Thank you so much.
I will. Okay.
Why are you crying?
Oh, God, why? God, why?
Why are you crying? What is it?
My brother is dead.
Who is your brother? What brother are you talking about?
Why will you do this to me? Why? After everything.
What are you talking about?
my brother, your husband, is dead.
Please stop this expensive joke. What kind of talk is this one? Somebody I left at the hospital. The doctor told me to go and bring food. What are you saying?
I went to the hospital to go and see him. When I got there, I didn't see him on his bed. So I asked them. They told me that he was dead.
Someone I just left at the hospital? Don't tell me that, please. Can you tell me that? What are you saying? Let me go.
Come.
What are you telling me that my
I
husband
can't allow
is
you
dead?
to go.
Let me go and look for my husband. Hey! No, don't hold me. Come on, I want to go to the hospital. I want to go to the hospital. Hey! What are you saying?
Please, no.
What are you telling me?
Oh, God. After everything, God, why? God, why?
I'm gonna kill me.
Go, please. God, why? Why? God, just take my life. Take my life.
Oh my God. Tell me who will train my kids in school. I'm gonna tell me who to run to, Chimo.
It's okay.
Hey! Tell me who will train my children in school. I'm gonna tell who do I run to.
Stop crying.
Hey!
Because you need to be strong.
Be strong?
Yes, for
How
your
can
kids.
I be strong?
You need to be strong.
How can I be strong?
Stop crying can never bring him back. Huh? Just be strong for your kids.
How can I be strong?
Yes, you need to be strong.
I cannot be strong.
He's the father of the fatherless and the husband of the widows. He will take care of you. It's okay.
Crying can never bring him back.
It's okay.
Please.
It's okay. You need to be strong for your kids. Please.
So, it is just me alone in this world. My brother is gone. My only brother is gone. So it's just me alone.
It's not so.
Only me.
My son, don't see it that way. You are not alone in this world. You have your wife, your children. Even your brother's wife and his children are also there to accompany you with anything you want to do. They are there to keep you company. So please, don't see it as being in a world of your own. Take heart.
So hold yourself. Be a man. I heard you. Please. I heard you.
It's okay.
Is it because of money? Money, is it because of money? The truth I told you is enough oasis. Is your bungwali? Is in a massive woman. There's no man. When them fallen on ya, look at me. I'm helpless. Look at me. I'm helpless. Yellows no maker. When them fallen on ya, I still love you. When them follow Nanya. I still love you.
My husband, I don't think it's right for you to be out here all alone by yourself. By this time of the night. Please, let's go inside, okay? Please.
I want to be left alone.
Listen, I understand everything you are going through. But I just...
No!
I'm sorry.
My own brother. My only brother that was always there for me.
I got to go and get water.
Go and get water by yourself.
Go and bring water. Come on, go and bring water. What do you mean I should go and get water? I should stay there. You are becoming of a man in this house. So. Or I should stay there. I'm carrying a phone.
Choose one meat.
Wait, let me finish. Agodi, where did you take meat before me?
It's not a smaller one that I took.
You took the smaller one. Look at it. This is the smallest one. You took the big one. Why did you take me? You took the big one. Why would you take the big one from me? This is the bigger one I'm talking about.
What is it? What's going on here? Why are you always fighting?
Imagine Agodi taking meat before me and you took the biggest meat.
Agodi, what happened?
Nne, I'm done eating and I asked him to choose one meat so I will take mine. But he refused and said I should wait for him to eat.
He took the bigger one. He took the bigger one.
It's okay, sit down.
Mama, it's a lie. This boy is disrespecting me in this house.
It's okay, sit down. I'm here. Is that why you had to take the meat before him?
Nne, I took the smaller.
It's a lie. You took the big one. You took the big one. Mama, look at it. Look at it. This is the smallest one. You took the big one.
Shut up. It's okay. You always fight. Why are you fighting because of meat? Nzeri, my son. Take that bone. Yes, take it. Try to break it. Try harder.
I can't break it.
You cannot.
No.
Okay, drop it. Agodi, take the bone. Try to break it.
I can break it.
You cannot. Drop it. Take one strand out of the bunch of bone. Break it. You can break it. It's very easy. Agodi, take one strand out of the broom. Break it. It's very easy, right? When you took one strand out of it, you were able to break it very easy, right? This is a lesson that I want to teach you. This broom stands as a symbol of unity. That's what I want you to learn from this lesson. When you are united, when you are together, when you play as a team, it will be difficult for the enemy to get at you. I know that we are poor right now, but we will not be poor forever. Both of you are still young. I see the future. You are going to be very rich. You are going to build big houses in this compound. Both of you, separately. I'm sure of that.
But let me tell you something. That may not happen if you're not united. If you don't take the challenges of life together. If you're not your brother's keeper, that may not happen. The only way you can achieve that is when you work together. When you're your brother's keeper. I mean, even when you are married, you should never allow a woman to bring separation between the two of you. Because I know you are my children. The bond that you have is very strong. You need to love each other more. Please, am I understood? Do you really understand what I'm saying? Have you taken in what I've just said now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you have heard what I've said, I want you to show me that you have heard what I've said by hugging yourselves. Hug yourselves. Yes, I want you to hug each other as a symbol of love. That's very good. That's my boys.
What's that?
What are you doing?
No, I'm just
It's out, please.
Nzewi! Nzewi! Where is the water that you said you were going to go and fetch for me?
I'm coming. I'm discussing with my brother.
No, you are coming. Are you still sitting? Come on, will you stand up from that place? Go to the stream and fetch me water. Don't you know that I'm supposed to be cooking by now? Anyway, I know what hunger used to do to you. By the time I get back to this place and you are still playing here, you know what I can do now. You trust me, right? Are you still standing there? I'm coming back for you.
Come on, escort me. Let's go together.
It's not your turn to fetch water.
I know it's my turn, please.
When I was going to the stream yesterday, did you follow me? I begged you, but you refused. So go and fetch your water.
Mba. We'll come back just now.
Mba. I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere?
Yes.
You're not going anywhere?
Yes.
Make sure you stay here. Don't go anywhere. When I come back, we'll continue from where we stopped.
Will I be playing with a ghost before?
I'm waiting for you. In this house. Tomorrow is your turn, no problem.
Oh.
Abaji, what is this now? You scared me.
You were insulting me the other day. You think I will not catch Abi?
See, Abaji, listen, I don't have time for this. As you can see, I'm going to fetch water for my mother.
You're even calling me by my real name. You cannot say brother Abaji. You're calling me by my
I should call you brother Abaji. I was waiting. See, this thing that you're looking for, if you will start it, you will not finish it though. I'm warning you. Allow me to go and fetch this water, please.
I'm talking to you. What out of me? Are you normal? Are
Abaji,
you okay?
You pushed me. No, like seriously, you pushed me.
I'll push you again.
Hey.
You were insulting me the other day. Okay, fine. Come and insult me now. I want you to insult me now.
Listen, I've promised my mother that I don't want to insult anybody again. Don't push me. Because this thing you are looking for, Abaji, I'm warning you.
I also promised my father that I will not beat anyone. But this thing you are doing now, you are insulting me. I'll beat you.
You beat me. You beat me, Abaji.
Yeah. I don't want to put my shirt on.
You not like it.
Okay, you are dropping your gun for me. You are dropping. Well, do what you want to do.
I don't want to do this thing, no.
You're pointing me.
Abaji, you push me. Abaji, I will kill you today. Abaji, I will kill you today. Wait.
Insult me.
My nose.
Insult me. Insult me. Insult me.
Abaji, you blame my
insult me.
Abaji, you blame me.
You did not blame my insult. You did not blame the insult when you were.
Abaji! Agodi, Abaji is beating your brother and Sewi.
Where?
At the road to the stream. Let's go, let's go.
No, no. Sorry.
It's okay.
Eat it. Sorry. You bet me. Sorry. You bet me. Sorry.
You are very lucky. Let me come and see how you come and beat you again.
Beat me? Me? For waiting. He's very lucky. He can't try it. It's just because I don't want to fight today. I'll go and concentrate all this nonsense. I didn't even you came with me. That boy.
But I knew I would have just stayed at home.
Huh?
Beat you.
You say?
Yes.
We'll stay at home. Do you think I cannot beat him? Look at this one. You think I cannot beat him? I told you I'm not strong. Let him come and try me again now. Look at that small boy, Abaji.
Nzelu and Agodi. Was it not yesterday I was teaching you people the power of unity? I told you, when you fight alone by yourself, you will lose the fight. But when you fight together, you will surely win. I'm not going to be around forever, but you both will have yourself. You are the senior, you are the younger. You always listen to your senior brother. The reason I'm telling you this is not for today. My sons, it's for the future. Because when you go out there in the world, that's where the main forces are. There are some forces that want to fight you. If you don't fight together, you will lose it. The forces will conquer you. Always make sure that the bond between the two of you will stay forever. Do you understand me?
Mama.
All this tough.
I promise you, nothing in this world will come in between I and my brother. We will always fight together in every situation we find ourselves. Nothing will come between us.
I like that. I like that, my son. Please. And especially when you marry. Marriage is good. The two of you have each other now. When a woman comes in between the two of you, it has become a different thing. Some women are bad. Especially when you marry a bad wife. A bad wife will come, see the bond between the two of you, you and your younger brother, and we want to separate the bond between the two of you. Please, my sons, please, I'm begging you. I will not be here forever. No matter what happens in life, no matter the wife that you have married, regardless of whatever love you have for her, never allow a woman to come between you and your brother. Agodi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen to your elder brother. Every single time he talks to you, fight for each other. Be there for each other. Be a shoulder for each other.
Mama.
Is that understood?
No. No woman will ever come in between us. Agodi.
Thank you, my son.
Agodi. No woman.
This pain is too much to bear. Brother, how do I cope? Tell me, how do I cope? I have a broken leg. How do I cope?
No, you will cope. Huh? You will cope. And there's no against trouble. Most important thing is that you are alive. You did not kill anybody. Let me tell you, a lot of people who have had similar accidents, they did not even survive. Huh? Sorry, oh. You'll be fine.
Brother, the pain is too much. Now that I've stopped following the trailer, how am I going to cope? How do I cope with my wife and my 2 children? How do I fend for them?
Do not worry, eh? You will cope. We will cope. You are my brother. I cannot abandon you. I will be taking care of you. No, don't worry. Eh? God will provide for us. I'm not complaining, and I will not complain.
Brother, it's just your Okada that you have. Eh? Your Okada that you ride is what you use to manage your family. Eh? Now, how would I now add my responsibility to yours? Tell me, how do the stress of myself, my wife and my children, how do I put it on your shoulders now?
It's okay. Don't worry about it. Just worry about getting well first. Huh? Like I said, the most important thing is that you are alive. You did not die and you did not kill anybody. God will provide. Don't worry. I'll keep doing my Okada business. And no matter what I make from the little money I make from the farm work, I'll use it to sustain us, my family and your family. You'll be fine. Like I said before, the most important thing is that you are alive. Huh? Stop shouting like this now. If you keep screaming, people who are passing, they'll think it's a woman that is shouting. You're a man, oh.
I'm a man.
Yeah.
I'm a man. I'm a man. It's the pains now. It's too painful.
Ago.
Welcome.
Welcome. Good. How are you?
Well, I'm managed as you can see.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, eh? It is well. I was able to get your drugs.
Okay.
Yes, but the doctor said you have to come to the hospital for a proper checkup. So, I've arranged for Ndoka to come here very early tomorrow morning and take you to the hospital for proper checkup. Okay?
Okay. Brother, there is no money left in this household.
Don't worry about it. I'll sort it out. Don't worry.
Brother, don't worry. Are you not doing too much already? Eh? My wife told me how you gave her money to prepare nsala soup for me. Now you are paying for my medications. What do you want me to say? I'm short of words.
Since you're short of words, don't say anything. You've said enough. It's okay.
Thank you very much. From the depth of my heart, I truly appreciate this. You see, Mama will be very proud of you wherever she is today. Thank you very much.
You figured out this. Let me get you water.
People are laughing at me.
Thank God. No! This is 90% recovery. We thank God.
I'm just looking at you. We thank God.
We thank God. Yes. God is worthy of our praises.
Amen.
He's God.
Amen. Thank you, Jesus. Right.
Brother, I have come specially to say thank you to you from the depth of my heart. Yes. I mean, all through these trying times, you have proved to me that you are a true brother. You have been my father to my children, and husband to my wife. I don't know how to thank you. I don't know if I should go on my time. Thank you very much. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
It's okay. I got it. You don't have to kneel down, eh? Sit down. It's okay. I got it. I've told you before, you do not have to thank me. What I did is what I'm supposed to do for you as a brother. And I know that if I was the one in this condition, you would do the same for me.
Yes.
Okay? Won't you?
Of course I will.
There's no way so it's okay. We should be thanking God that you're alive.
Yes.
And you're fine. This is 90% recovery. At least now you can walk. Before you know what is happening, you start running. Chubac, where you go? It's okay. You're even saying I spent money. Do you know that if you had died, God forbid, I'll even spend 3 times that amount or more on your burial.
That's true.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not.
Thank you. Thank you. Brother, I also want to let you know that my wife and I have decided that I should stop following all this big lorry up and down. You know, it's not as if they are even paying me good money. I'll just be risking my life up and down. So we decided that I should go to Onitsha to meet Ojaku. You remember that my friend Ojaku?
Yes.
The bricklayer. He said I should come. That he's going to teach me the work. So I will go there to learn a new hustle.
Okay.
He also promised to house me. Yes. So I will be there, learning the job, knowing the job very well, while my family will still remain here as usual. So I said I should let you know.
Okay. It's okay. No matter what, we should give thanks to the Almighty God.
Yes.
Your job is very stressful, very risky. At the same time, you've made some money from that job. It has also given you a house. But if you decide to change your line of business and do something else, you have my support.
Thank you very much.
I am happy about this. I used to wonder how people climb those lorry and...
It's not easy.
Diego.
It's not easy. Sometimes you will see a lorry load of rods and cement. When we want to offload, they will just be moving. They will not wait for you. You have to run and jump on it. You fall for yourself. The lorry is going.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy at all. But like I said, we thank God.
Yes.
We thank God.
Yes.
Most importantly, never forget God. Don't forget to pray. Anything you do, commit it into the hands of God. All your daily activities. Because I believe that someday, very soon, the Almighty God that we serve will bless this family with riches, with wealth. Because we work very hard and we're not bad people. If God visits me, He has visited all of us.
Yes.
If God also blesses you, He has blessed all of us.
That's true.
Check it there.
I'm healing fast, as you can see.
But you're still taking it.
I'm still taking it. Me that doesn't used to. No, I'm okay now. You can see I'm moving around.
Nobody is rushing you.
I'm moving around.
Yes. Remember, I got.
I just want to show you how I can use this leg now. If
I got it. Listen. Nobody is chasing you away. Okay? This is your house.
Okay.
You can stay as long as you want. I'm not complaining. Don't feel that you're stressing me too much and you have to leave. You're not. No matter how long you want to stay, you can stay. No matter what it will cost, I will pay. God will provide.
Okay.
I'm not chasing you away.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
This is it.
Okay, please, let me hit you. Nzewi, my brother, I am very sorry. I shouldn't have believed my wife. I shouldn't have changed towards you. How could I be so loose to believe that you can have a mind to seize the blessings that God brought to us all to yourself? How? After all the bonds we shared, these years? How? I am very sure that if I wasn't misled, you wouldn't have died. The enemy succeeded because we weren't united as we used to be. But I promise you, you can't die for nothing. I will avenge your death, and I will be a husband to your wife and a father to your children.
Look at me, I'm helpless. Look at me, I'm helpless. Yellow Zenumaka, one them follow my father, I still.
Daddy, goodbye, we are off to school.
Let's go this way.
Who is your husband? I'm asking you. Who is your husband? You evil woman.
Hell. Agodi. You are evil woman.
Okay.
What have I done?
Let me tell you, in case you don't know what you have done. You are an evil wife. I'm telling you, you are very evil. If not for you, if not for your evil ways, oh, my brother would have been alive today. Wicked woman, that is who you are.
You're speaking to me like I'm responsible for your brothers.
Yes! Yes, you are! Very wicked! If you were not, tell me, how could you forget so soon when my brother and the wife were on my case when I had an accident and almost lost my life? Tell me! Tell me! Now tell me, how on earth will you convince and pressurize me to believe that the money meant for me and my brother to share, my brother wanted to eat it alone? You did that! You! Even when I refused to believe, you kept on pressurizing me. You kept on pushing me that I must fight my brother. I must kill my brother. And that was how I pushed my brother to his untimely death. And you are here. You have the guts to stand here before me to ask me stupid questions. Woman, I tell you what, I will never forget. And I will never forgive you in this life and the next to come. You are still standing there. In fact, I am tired of this marriage. Wait for me.
My God.
Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm tired of this marriage. It's better I remain single than get married and stay in marriage with a witch like you. Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
What is it, please? What's happening here?
You are going back to your father's house.
What is the meaning? What are you doing?
No, she's leaving my house.
Stop this.
This much is leaving my house.
My husband just died. Why are you adding to my trouble? Why?
If not for this evil woman here, your husband, my brother, would have been alive today. But she said no. She said the man must go, and he has gone. Hey, leave my house. Leave my house. I'll kill you here now.
Please, take this bag inside, please.
This is the most painful part. Who are you kneeling down for now? Who are you begging? Come, I will count to 3. If she doesn't leave, one person will die. 1,
please.
2. You are still there.
Stop this. Stop Stop this! Stop this! Stop this! Please!
Get out of the house.
No, don't do this! Don't do this!
I said I'm sorry. Because forgive me. Haven't you done enough? I acted in ignorance. And I swear in God's name I would not do it again. Please, my husband.
Get out of my way. I said get out of my way!
Agodi, please. Where are you going? Please. Agodi.